Sophie bike riding in the garage at 4 years old. Go, Soph. Oh, watch the stroller. Okay, shh. There's Phoebe. She's not very happy. There's Sophie.
This is what I need.
Good job. Going in circles, Soph.
I just went on the bug.
That's okay. Wave to the camera. Okay, keep going.
I just need that.
There's Phoebe.
Here's Sophie trying to fix her bike. I got it.
Watch where you're going. Good job. Good job. There you go. You're getting it. Keep turning. You're doing much better, Soph.
Thanks.
Oh, watch Daddy's shoes.